this beat in my dream.
The goal is to break 400 wheel horsepower. It could be plus or minus, so cross my fingers. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some gas, rinse off the car, and then I'll be heading to the shop. I actually think I'll be okay on gas, so I'm running a little behind. It's supposed to be the right time. It's 9:24. Let's see. Yeah, 9:24-ish. So yeah, I'm just gonna go rinse off the car, and then yeah, let's do this thing. Alright guys, so we have made it. We are at Ignition Logic. I'm gonna have Alex tune it today. Oh man, it's so stoked. I am super nervous it's not gonna break 400 wheel, like super nervous. If not, I may be doing E85 later just to get over that 400 wheel like crave. But honestly for now, just cross my fingers and we'll wait and see what the numbers put out. But we'll be rolling here in no time. Stay tuned.
The air-fuel ratios are on point right there. So.
That was dope.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So yeah, we're gonna let it cool down and then we're gonna revisit the steady state loading at about 4,500 RPM and then continue to go up to about 5,000. And then from there, once we get that dialed, we'll start doing wide open throttle pulls and see what our boost pressures are at.
Okay, super safe.
Yeah,
Alright,
let it cool down for a sec. I'm gonna run inside.
Sounds good. Oh man, that's crazy. This is so cool. soaked right now, so we're gonna let it cool down for a little bit, and then we're gonna try one more run. We're so close. 392. That was crazy. Whew. That was nuts. Wow. That was
Really solid.
We did it.
So we're gonna let it air out again. But
Awesome.
That's 408 horsepower on 17 pounds of boost only.
Wait, how much? 400?
17 pounds of boost.
17 pounds of boost.
408 wheel horsepower. 408.
Yes, that is awesome.
So we're gonna let the CO air out, we'll put the dyno sheets out, and then we'll get off the dyno and get to feel it on the street.
Alright, awesome. Sounds good. Woo! That is so sick. We did it. I'm stoked. I feel accomplished. Lots of hard work in there, so heck yeah. That was insane. Holy crap. Alright, I'm going again. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. That was so dope. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna go enjoy myself. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. It was so much fun. Hope you guys are having a good weekend, great week. And we'll see you later.